Department of the Air Force is scheduled to launch the X37B tonight for its seventh mission here at Kennedy Space Center. The X37B is an orbital test vehicle that will be launched into orbit by the Falcon Heavy rocket for the first time.
The X-37 had its first drop test back in 2006, then its first orbital mission in April of 2010, which lasted about 9 months, or roughly 270 days. To reach orbit, the vehicle was launched off an Atlas V rocket. But just wait. Subsequent flights gradually extended this duration to 780 days, reaching off the Falcon 9 rocket.
Yeah. I got you beat because in Mission 6, which was launched from an Atlas V in May 2020, she reached a total of 908 days in orbit.
Wow.
I know.
Well, in addition to Mission 6, it was the first mission to introduce a service module that expanded the capabilities of space
Okay.
and allowed it to host more experiments than any other previous mission. The spacecraft carried the Naval Research Laboratory's photovoltaic radio frequency module.
Yeah, that's a mouthful. Let me break that down for you. These photovoltaic panels on a satellite in space, what they do is they convert the sun's energy into electromagnetic waves at a microwave frequency. Then the satellite beams the energy to a receiver on Earth that transforms it into direct current. And direct current has many uses, from charging batteries to large power supplies for electronic systems, motors, and so much more.
Right. Well, in addition, the sixth mission carried 2 NASA experiments that studied the results of radiation and other space effects on materials sample plate, as well as seeds used to grow food. And Mission 6 isn't done.
Jeez.
It finally deployed the Falcon Insat 8, a small satellite developed by the U.S. Air Force Academy. That's a lot. Why is another 7th mission?
Well, this vehicle is an experimental test program that continuously demonstrates technologies for reliable, reusable unmanned space platform. It can accommodate a wide range of tested experimental objectives. And for Mission 7, these include operating in new orbital regimes, as well as experimenting with future space domain awareness technologies. These tests are important because they ensure safe, stable, and secure operations in space for all of its users. The experimental program also investigates radiation effects on materials provided by NASA. Now that's exciting because radiation is a huge concern of human spaceflight exploration. Radiation can alter cardiovascular systems, damaging the heart, hardening and narrowing arteries, and possibly eliminating some of the cells in linings of blood vessels, leading to cardiovascular disease. So any new information or research aimed towards understanding this is hugely beneficial.
And this will be achieved as NASA builds upon Mission 6, exposing plant seeds to the harsh radiation environment of long-duration spaceflight. Chief of Space Operations, General Jan Saltzman, hailed these experiments as groundbreaking, saying that the X-37B continues to equip the U.S. with the knowledge to enhance current and future space operations.
So stay with us to catch a glimpse of this incredible rocket launch.